Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 1183 South Lake Road on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is the ultimate Canandaigua Lake dream home with a contemporary farmhouse design and approximately 125 feet of level waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and lake guests with this amazing covered entry porch with scenic lake views, leading to a stunning spacious foyer.
This will take your breath away with an ultimate great room with grand open living. Featuring a living area with a custom wood shiplap cathedral ceiling, a gas fireplace, a sitting area, a dining area, and a white and bright kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliances and a center island breakfast bar, all with stunning white oak floors and breathtaking lake views.
Just off the great room is a designer bath with adjacent first floor laundry and two spacious bedrooms with nature and lake views. And this private separate wing, the ultimate owner's suite, with a designer bath, a sitting area, and bedroom, all with elevated lake views. This waterfront designer showcase features a custom architect design with clean lines and artistic flair, the epitome of the modern farmhouse style.
This premium level waterfront includes approximately 125 feet of shale beach, with a shed, a fire pit, a dock, and boat hoist.
South Lake Road is a very special part of Canandaigua Lake. Enjoy the afternoon sun and sunsets. You could have it all in this Canandaigua Lake dream home. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1183 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.